guys, it's Melanie, and today's video is gonna be another TikTok video. I mean, we've all been using TikTok so much, and not gonna lie, it inspires like half of my life right now. Pretty recently, I did a testing out like food hacks from TikTok, and so today I decided to test out some more hacks, but these are like clothing DIY hacks. You can probably already tell what my For You page looks like. So many DIYs, so much fashion stuff, and so many like food recipe videos. Of course, I had to try them out and I had to show you guys. So these were some of the recent ones that I tried out. So just keep watching to see how they all turned out. This first DIY inspired by TikTok is none other than the tie-dye sweatsuit slash pantsuit that you've been seeing pretty much everywhere. I know that this style has been really trendy even in stores, and stores have been selling sets for upwards of like $100, but making this was super easy and actually really fun to do also. I started off by ordering a white sweatsuit from Amazon. I actually just got a boys set and it was really affordable, under $20 for both the sweatshirt and the sweatpants. I just got a packet of dye from Michael's. It's pretty self-explanatory and I basically just followed the instructions on the dye, but I just scrunched up my sweatsuit and then used some rubber bands, and then I squirted the dye on after putting it in a little squirt bottle that I made myself. After I washed it, this is what the top looked like, and I actually decided to put some elastic in the waistband just to make it fit more flattering. And I've done this multiple times on thrift flips. So basically I just cut a little slit in the bottom of the sweatshirt, threaded a elastic through it, and then sewed the elastic back together, which made kind of like a makeshift waistband. My apologies that I got super out of frame in this clip, and also you can see the flashing lights from watching Gilmore Girls in the background, which is kind of funny, but basically this is me sewing up the completed waistband. So this is how the first sweatsuit turned out. I really like how this looks. Honestly, I'm not really much of a sweatsuit person, so I probably wouldn't wear this together unless I'm just like chilling at home, you know. Nonetheless, I love both of these pieces and I would definitely wear them by themselves. I've been wearing them so much and I really like them. I'm really tempted to make it in a bunch of different colors because it was just so easy and I really like it. I kind of want a purple one and a blue one, but I'm also really scared that this is a fad, so I'm gonna calm myself down. I also put the little elastic in the top so that it fits a little bit better, and yeah, this is the finished. Embroidery has been all over TikTok recently, and I absolutely love this trend because it's a super dainty detail and it's really easy to do, but it's also very fun and customizable. So for this one, I decided to just embroider a little detail of flames on the back pocket of these jeans because I wanted to add a little spice to them. Pretty self-explanatory again, but I started off by sketching the outline and I replicated it off of some clip art that I just found on Google. After drawing it out with a pen, I just stitched over it with some black embroidery thread, and all in all, this only took about like 30 minutes because I did choose a pretty simple pattern, but you can get as complex with this as you'd like. This is kind of a strange butt angle, but this is what the finished jeans look like. I really like them. It's a very nice, simple touch, but nonetheless, I think it's super cute. This acid washing trend has been pretty much everywhere, and it's so simple to do. It's even easier than the tie-dye trend, in my opinion at least. I started off by dampening all the clothing pieces that I was bleaching, and then I just used a couple rubber bands to scrunch them together and hold it together. After that, I just grabbed some normal bleach and poured a few drops over random patches of my clothing items, and I only had to leave these out for about 10-ish minutes and they were ready to be washed because the bleach activates really fast. Okay, so I hand rinsed everything and I'm leaving it to dry now, and then I'm gonna throw them in the dryer later. This is what they're looking like right now. Kinda interesting if you ask me. Alright guys, this is what my finished acid wash set looks like. I definitely wouldn't wear these together just like the other sweatsuit, but I will definitely be wearing both of these separated. Super comfy, and I'm in love with how it turned out. It was super easy to do, and acid washing is also a lot easier because you only had to leave it on for like 10 minutes and then bam, it's done. But depending on how long you leave it on, it will be like lighter and stuff. But this is just what it looks like. Quite edgy. That's it for this one. This last TikTok clothing hack that I followed was another bleach one. I started off by using some masking tape to tape down half of my jeans to get some cleaner lines. As you can see in these clips, I was going for the half bleach kind of look, so I just taped down one side and the alternate pockets just to get the cleaner lines once again. Then I used this other kind of bleach and the sponge to try and get the most even layer that I could of the bleach and just spread it out over that one leg and the back pocket. Once I distributed the bleach over the leg as evenly as possible, I actually had to let this one sit out for quite a long time compared to the other bleach design I did. I had to leave it out for a couple of hours, and this is what it started to look like. Even after leaving it in the sun for a couple of hours, I still noticed that there were some splotchy parts of the jeans, so I decided to go back in with the other bleach and this paintbrush to be a little more detailed and precise and get into those crevices and go over those splotchy spots once again. And I found this really helped to lighten them up pretty quickly, especially when you leave it out in the sun. Here are what the finished bleach jeans look like, and oh my goodness, they're very it's a very dramatic difference. And this is what they look like from the back. This one took a couple days to get it as light as I wanted it, but I'm very happy with this. I think the key is to really use like a dark, very good quality denim, because if you don't, you might like rip, or like the bleach might burn through if you use like jeggings or something like that. But this is what they look like. I really like the contrast, how they turned out. I think they're really cute. So yeah. Okay guys, so those were my TikTok inspired clothing DIYs slash thrift flips. I don't even know what I'm calling this. Hopefully this video helped you guys out and that you enjoyed it. If you like any of the pieces, make sure to let me know and show me or tag me if you try any of them out. Also, let me know what other videos you guys want to see, any other TikTok related, clothing, thrift flip related ones, and I would love to do that for you. That's it for this video. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, week, and life, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm uploading every Friday and occasional Mondays, so I'll see you soon. Bye guys. I know it's getting late now, babe.